Alright. Trying to get a wide enough angle. I don't know if it's let me zoom out. No. Zoom out. And here's the clock from the side. And you can see it is going at this time. I'm gonna look inside the clock maybe. Maybe not. Maybe. Can't really see too much. It's been going okay for the last, I guess, 2 minutes. Not sure. Well, hopefully, maybe this can help you, help us diagnose the problem. I don't know if you can see anything. It's kind of hard to look. Okay. Well, give it a shot. Hopefully you can diagnose the issue. If not, then I guess we'll have to wait until you come again. So, alright. Love you. Bye.